Hello everyone, Mark here. I hope you're all keeping well. I thought I'd do a quick update video on my Traxxas TRX4 build project. Hello everyone, Mark here. I hope you're all keeping well. I thought I'd do a quick update video on my Traxxas TRX4 build project. As you can see, the thing is basically done now. There is a few bits that I want to still do to it. There's a couple more mods I want to do, but stuff like that gets done over time anyway. But I thought I'd just quickly give you a nice closer look of what it looks like so far. And like I say, it's 90% done, guys. So I finished the body. I might make a couple more decals to put on there. I'm not too sure yet. I've got a winch on the bumper there, as you can see, and the winch is also powered by my my radio gear as well, so I don't have to have a separate battery. It's all powered by my channel 3 on my transmitter and receiver. I've put a widening kit on the wheels as well. Normally the wheels would stick out basically near enough flush to the actual wheel arches, but I've put in a widening kit to make my stance a lot wider. That will help with stability. As you can see, I've put a few scale bits on there as well, painted them up. I've got my mini subwoofer that I made. This thing sounds awesome, and it's held in place by a little magnet. I might either insert a video clip or maybe put a different video up showing you how loud this thing goes. It's Bluetooth powered. It also runs off of MicroSD card as well. But also made a much bigger subwoofer box, and this thing sounds awesome. These are very gimmicky. I don't know how often I'm going to be actually using these things, but it was fun to make. So what we'll actually do is I will take the shell off and give you a quick look underneath. Like I say, there's not much been done. So the stock kit, because I bought the unassembled TRX4 sport kit, so it doesn't come with wheel arches, it doesn't come with any electrics, so I've added that myself. I've put some wheel arches on there. Not only does it give the scale look much more realism, but it also keeps some of the dirt and dust and mud and crap out of the actual chassis, because it all gets hung up on the wheel arches. I've put in a Hobbywing Max 10 brushless 3300 kV system in there. Like I say, it is also running on my FlySky GT3C radio system. I haven't really upgraded anything on the chassis. As you can see, it's basically all stock at the minute. Obviously I've got my aluminium bead locks on there, and what I've done as well, I've decided to not go with the original hubs that come with the wheels. I've put in these locking nuts. It just makes it a lot easier when it comes to actually removing the wheels. The body shell, I'll give you a bit of a closer look. As you can see, I'll put some of my custom details on there. I made this netting to go up on there. Underneath I've got some full functional lights, so basically got all my turning signals, brake and headlights as well. But yeah, that is it, guys. That is my TRX4 basically done. Obviously what I want to do next, I want to raise these bumpers up, so the bumpers do get caught up on things. So I'm going to raise the bumper up probably an inch, raise the rear bumper up an inch, basically just reverse the bumper mounts, and then it allows you to raise up the bumpers by about ½ inch to an inch. I'm going to raise the side panels up as well, get them to the get them flush with the actual chassis. I've done a mod which will which improves the stickiness on the shocks. These shocks are baby smooth now. Very impressed of how much better these shocks are after doing a simple O-ring mod. But yeah, that is it guys. This thing is a blooming beast. I've clocked up 16 mile an hour. I didn't want my crawler going too slow, so because I get bored with rock crawling. But so that's one reason why I bought the TRX4, because it's a beast, it's super strong, and I can gear it up if I want. I could probably, with this brushless system, just by changing the spur gear, changing the pinion gear, I can get this going around 25 mile an hour if I want to. But at the moment, 16 mile an hour is good enough. Hopefully I can take it out in a week or two, do a couple of proper speed runs, show you guys, and basically do a bit of trail action with this. I'm not going to be hardcore rock crawling with it. It's not something that I'm really into, but I needed a rock crawler in my collection, and I've had cheap ones before and I've just got rid of them because I just get bored of them too quickly. But the TRX4 is just a whole nother breed. I've also put in some Proline single stage foam inserts in here. The sponge inserts that come with the TRX4 are just rubbish. So I've got some single stage foam. So that gives me a really solid tyre, but it also gives you a very soft first layer. Even though it's a single stage foam, it leaves enough gap in between the tyre to just give you a nice soft first stage and then nice stiff second stage, which is perfect for my kind of use. But yeah, that is it guys. Just want to do a quick video showing you my build, and that it's basically near enough done. So impressed with this truck. And I'm looking forward to getting it out properly. When I do, I'll do a little video for you guys just to show you what it looks like. I'll quickly show you this actually as well. I've been doing some scale stuff, been making some little a little drinks cooler here, got my Jack Daniels in there, some Coke. Then I'm going to have another one with my tools like winch cable, tool to undo the wheels and stuff like that. And then in this one I'm actually going to put a little rifle. I am into my shooting hobby as well, so I'm going to get a little rifle to go in there. But yeah, not sure how often they're going to be in the netting, because at the end of the day it does add weight up high and you don't really want that. But that is it guys. I just want to give you a quick closer look, and like I say, it's such an awesome vehicle. I'm really happy that I got it. Cost quite a bit to get it all up and running how I wanted it, but it is worth it. It's going to last for many years. So yeah, all in all, I'm happy. So that's it for me guys. Thank you so much for watching. Happy RCing, stay safe, keep your family safe as well. But also things are starting to relax now, so just be careful, but make sure you get some RC fun in. So that's it for me guys. I'm starting to waffle on, so I'm going. So take care. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.